Hello everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add frosted crystal effect on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut and click in new project. Add the video that you want to edit. This one. This one. At the bottom. Now I will show you this is the original video like this, but in here in this tutorial I wanna add frosted crystal effect. So you just click on the effect at the bottom, click effect, and at the menu you can click video effect, and in here you swipe until you can see the 3D. This one, this is the newest feature on CapCut, so just click on it, and in here you can see frosted crystal effect, this one. So just click on it and click check icon, and now set the effect until the end of the video like this. And in here you can adjust the effect. You just click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for horizontal shift like this, for vertical and horizontal shift like this, for the speed, and then for rotate, and then for the filter. After this, you can click check icon at the bottom and finish. So that's how to add frosted crystal effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing guys, bye bye.